Teacher, today you learn chapter 2 of SST Early Human Part 1. Subject is History. We know that this chapter who our ancestor and when they live in on earth and how do they do with his living style. First, our ancestor with the feature and the living style similar to that of ape. The ancestors were called anthropoid, which means man-like animal. Man went through a long evolutionary period. As a result of this evolution, modern man appeared on the earth as recently as 40,000 years ago. As an ape man, he ate whatever he could find around the world, roots, small insects and worms. He slept on trees in a cave. He was always in danger of being attacked by wild animals. In the initial stage, man walked like ape. Slowly he learned to stand erect on his feet. His hands were free and he could hold things and also pick and throw things to protect himself. Now the prehistoric period. In the age in which the earliest human being lived in called the prehistoric period. We may divide the prehistoric period in three consecutive periods named for their respectively tools making technology. First one is Stone Age, Bronze Age and Iron Age. Now, Stone Age, as you may note, a period of stone is divided in the four parts. Paleolithic Age, it also called Old Stone Age, 500,000 to 10,000 BC. Now, Mesolithic Age is also called Middle Stone Age, 10,000 to 8,000 BC. Fourth is Neolithic Age, is also called New Stone Age, 8,000 BC to 4,000 BC. Fourth is Chalcolithic Age, is also called Copper Age, 4,000 to 2000 BC. First one we read Paleolithic Age. It's also called Old Stone Age. The Paleolithic or Old Stone Age is divided into three parts: Lower Paleolithic, Middle Paleolithic, Upper Paleolithic. The tools used by them were axes, cleavers, chopping tools, etc. Middle Paleolithic, the people used flackers. Upper Paleolithic, the tools used were like buzz and scrapers. Chips stones made of hard rock called quartzite was found in the Indian hence then were called quartzite men. In this stage man a nomad and the food gatherers. He did not stay at one place. He kept moving from one place to another in search of food. He also called hunter-gatherer as he killed animals and ate raw meat. He moved in group and used to eat root of plant, wild fruit, nut, seed, etc. Grew naturally as he did not know how to grow food. When the food used to finish at a particular place, he used to move to another place. This is the people live the nomadic life. Their people have no food, they eat of forest food like wild food, fruit, and they fully depend on forest. So the first part of history and the Stone Age is Old Stone Age is end. You read properly and have you any problem, write the comment box of MPS Academy. Thank you.